I am still in the capital and largest city of Kenya, which is Nairobi. The name Nairobi comes from Maasai phrase, which is known as enquiry Nairobi. That's if I'm pronouncing that well, which translates to cool water. Oh well, no wonder Nairobi is cold and chilled. Anyways, enough of this background story. Nairobi, Kenya is really, really beautiful, and I was opportuned to visit different places, even randomly. So today, I'm going to be taking you guys on a drive through so we can see what the sights and sounds of Nairobi, Kenya feels like. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, I'm bbmirasworld here again. If you're stopping by for the first time, please consider hitting the subscribe button. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. Without further ado, let us head straight into this video right away. So I'm here with Rachel and we are somewhere around
Karen. We're in Karen.
So we are in Karen.
Yeah, this is the leafy suburb.
Okay.
Now, in Karen, what do I say? It's far away from town. People say this is the leafy suburbs because they say it's the other side of the rich people.
Okay.
It's just a phrase, yeah? It's not really the truth. I mean, anyone would live here.
Okay.
But people call it the leafy suburbs because look at the area. See that? That's a forest.
Oh, this is a forest.
Yeah. Karen is just a forest. Actually, Karen is a forest. Actually, the whole of Karen has a lot of trees that looks like a forest. You see that side?
Yeah, like here.
Yeah. So Maasai love this place. You can see the Maasai is there.
Oh.
Yeah.
When you say Maasai, what do you mean by Maasai? I hear it a lot.
Maasai is a community.
Okay.
See the way we have Kikuyu, myself I'm Kikuyu.
Okay.
Malika is Luya.
Okay.
And then we have Maasai. It's like saying in Nigeria you have
A tribe. It's a tribe.
Yeah. Is it a tribe? Would you say it's a tribe?
Yeah, it is.
It is?
A community.
Community?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can say that.
So here is like, let's say rich people who live around here.
Yeah, in Karen.
Wow. I like
But
the
it's really
serenity
big.
of this place.
It's really big. This side is called Bomas.
Okay.
And we're going to the national park, which is along now Langata Road. Yeah.
So what happens in Bomas?
Bomas of Kenya?
Yeah.
Bomas is more like a museum.
Oh.
Yeah. We have a lot going on there. It's like a mini store. It's like a small ghetto. There's a small ghetto around.
Around
anyway.
here.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the Bomas you're talking about. The Bomas rather. Oh, nice.
See this? When we use this road, see the signs?
Yeah.
Going like this is going to Nairobi. When you go like this, you go to Karen, Ongata, Rongai.
Oh.
Now we're going to Langata Road because we're going to
The
National Park.
Wow.
Yeah. Where we're going to enjoy the wild animals, we're going to see the lions, we're going to see them roar. The best thing about seeing those lions is the roar thing. Sounds really sexy.
Nice. Okay. So this is a sneak peek of what the national park looks like. If you really want a complete video about the national park, then I have that already uploaded on this channel. Basically, this video is just to show you different places I visited via road and what it entirely looks like. So keep watching. So today, as we were going to the forest, Kiriata Forest, for ziplining, we came across this interesting place, and the driver decided to stop and give us a brief history about the Rift Valley. Oh my goodness, why not? Let's check it out, guys. So guys, look at it. Digital Valley viewpoint. Oh, they sell lots of stuff here at the entrance as well. These traditional stuffs, beads and all that. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, but that's not what we came here for. I'll come back at this. So let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. Wow, the scenery is something else. Like, seriously?
So this is the Great Rift Valley.
Okay.
It was formed through faulting.
Okay.
On this side we have the Aberdare Ranges.
On which side?
On this side we are, where we are studying. This is the
Okay.
Aberdare Escarpment.
Okay.
On the other side we have the Mau Ranges.
Wow.
Inside the escarpment we have the Great Lakes. There are 7 of them.
Yeah.
It stretches from Red Sea all the way to Mozambique.
From Red Sea
Yeah, all the way to Mozambique.
to Mozambique.
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. So people are actually residing here?
There are people residing inside there. On the floor of the Rift Valley, it's very vast. We have small mountains inside. We have a active volcano mountain where I'm pointing. It's called Logonaut. We also have another one down there. It's called Suswa.
Wow.
Suswa Mountain.
So the people that are actually living here, are they from this place or what?
Come again?
The people that live here now, are they from here or they settled here?
Yeah, the people who settled here long time ago, even before Kenya gave independence. But eventually, people keep on migrating.
So right now, people
We
here
have a mix
are...
from all over the world.
Wow.
It's not only local Kenyans who are staying here. 5 business people also.
Wow, guys, this place is amazing.
There's a town there inside.
Okay. So there is a town. What happens there?
That town is named Maimahiu,
Okay.
meaning hot water. Because if you if you get water, any water from there, even from the rivers, or you do a borehole, the water comes out very hot. Because we even have geothermal around that area.
So you said something that there is a volcano here. Where is that? Is
Is
it this place I'm zooming at?
No, no. It's lightweight there. It's called Okaria.
Wow. So people that settle here, how do
Actually,
they
it's
go
not
to
even,
their...
It's not even a volcano. That's where we get our steam. to
They
make-
mine stuff there?
I don't know the right term to use this one. It's a geothermal.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a geothermal.
okay. So how do people get into this place? Okay, I can see a road here, like
Yeah,
you said.
networks of roads getting down there.
And then there is a train that goes down from
Yeah.
here.
Yeah,
So
networks
does
of
that
roads.
mean we really can't go down? I'm actually scared. I don't think I can.
No, this is not where you access it from. There are places you access it, but it's far for you
Wow.
to get it. You have to go all the way around, which is very far.
Wow.
For you
Guys,
to get
this is beautiful. The scenery, like I don't know, like this is so cute. So here is the main entrance of something. Welcome to the Big 5 Valley viewpoint. Altitude is 8,000 feet, guys. That is incredible. Let's see the view from here. Wow, this place is big. Just take a look at. So guys, look at the road. you guys see that pathway? There are so many roads in here. This is super good. The scenery is just the best. Wow. So guys, today we are at CBD. CBD is more like the business hub in Nairobi. There are so many things going on here. There are so many skyscrapers here, the tall buildings. In fact, it seems like the beauty of Nairobi is right here in CBD, and I'm just going to take you guys along. So now we are driving through the White House area. Wow. Today we were heading to the restaurant and Trudy told us that the White House is located around this place. Like, isn't that such a good coincidence? Anyways, this is what the area looks like. So this evening we came to the airport to do some stuff, reschedule our flights, and I just thought of showing you guys what it looks like. I mean the road and all that. Then we saw this zebra. Like, wildlife are everywhere in Kenya, and that's fantastic.
Wow,
Guys, wildlife here. Wow.
Oh, so cute. Damn it. Look at that. Oh my.
Generally, I would say that Nairobi, Kenya is super dope, super beautiful. I went when it was cold, so the weather is also on point, even though it's a little bit too cold. It's a place to visit. Like, you really have to. If you're from Africa and you haven't visited Kenya, then probably you're on a long term. Anyways, I feel like sharing these random vlogs with you. These were me going to different places and then randomly vlogging them and showing you the scenery. I like how greeny Nairobi, Kenya is, and I enjoyed every bit of this trip. Anyways, I guess this brings us to the end of this video. If you love this video, then do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. And until then, bye bye.